So what do you do when it's time to get your new registration on your vehicle and this pops up? Been running 2 years with it like that. Now they won't give you your new registration unless that light goes out. On this video of fixing things, we're gonna diagnose my Nissan pickup truck to see what's wrong with it, to see if we can fix it. There's one thing I hate, and that's check engine lights. Man, because it could be a lot of different things, and if you're not sure what it is, you can pay by putting parts after parts after parts. Trust me, I know. I'm hoping that this won't be a hard one. This will be an easy fix, but we're going to find out. The truck runs and drives great. I got this truck from my wife's brother when he passed away, and I've never done nothing with it except put the vehicle in my name and the registration, and it didn't need an emission test at the time. Now they won't give me my registration without an emission test. And if the check engine light comes on, you ain't getting your new plates unless it passes. So let's check this vehicle out, see if we can't fix it, see what it is, so that I can get some more plates for another 2 years. Great time of day. So I got my test Obi-Wan Kenobi thingy made by Launch. Let's hook it up to this truck and see if we can't. I got the truck warming up. Let's see if we can't find out from the code reader what's going on with it. Hooking your test wire and hook it up to the truck. There's a port underneath the dash. On this one, on a Nissan, it's close to the radio above the gas pedal. I may have to get out of the truck to do it. All right, I think you're supposed to engine off. Key on. 100% battery life. Turning on the launch. And it takes a while. It's got to do some thinking. It's got to read everything. It scrolls through the VIN numbers, and then it does its magic. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, there it goes. All right, so it's reading the VIN number of the truck now. 2013 Nissan Frontier. Now start vehicle and system diagnose. Loading, working. The system is checking your vehicle. I'm all the way out in the yard and it's connected to my Wi-Fi out here. Communicating. Starting scan. Engine, 1 fault code. ABS, no fault. Airbags, no fault. It's got 2 abnormals, 1 in the transmission and 1 on the engine. So let's check the engine. So it has a PO455 evap total leakage. I need to learn how to use this thing better. So the engine itself has no fault codes. Processing, please wait. All right, engine system scanning results, 1 fault. Transmission scanning. Now I need my glasses. Showing 2 things on my transmission. The TM range sensor and the starter relay. Well, I know it works. evap total leakage. Oh, I gotta scoot up to the closer to the house. All right, so I'm gonna clear the codes, and we're gonna put a brand new gas cap on it and see if that fixes it. So from what I understand, if you put a aftermarket cap on it, they're cheaper and they don't have the right pressure senses for letting the air in and holding the pressure, and it could very possibly throw a code if it's not within the parameters. Not saying it ain't working, just saying it may throw a code. So I purchased off eBay a brand new gas cap for this truck, because my son told me like a year ago that it was throwing the evap code. Clear code. Are you sure you want to clear all the fault codes? Yes. All right, now it's showing everything normal. We'll go out there and put a new gas cap on. Hopefully it didn't fall off the truck while I pulled away. So I got a brand new Nissan gas cap, genuine parts. And we're gonna pull off the so this is an aftermarket El Cheapo cap. There's a difference. Let's open it up. Tighten until 1 click. So this has got a little tab that goes in so you don't lose your gas cap. One click. Smells like gas. All right, let's go start the truck and run the codes again. All right, back in the truck. Showing engine normal all the way around. And let's go back. Would you like to end the diagnosis session? Yes. All right, now it's going to do the whole thing all over again. Communicating. Confirmed. Yes. All right, scanning. How about that? Engine normal. ABS, airbag. Not bad. So far, so good. Let's see if our transmission thingy. So now it's not even showing a transmission. So it's doing some more scanning now. No faults and nothing now. So I think we're good. We're going to take this thing for a quick test drive and check it again. Now it's scanning the transmission again. Everything says normal. All right, let's drive this thing. Can't drive with those on. Test drive commencing. Bringing vehicle up to operating speed. 5 miles an hour on my back road. My phone is getting ready to fall off the thing. So I think I'm going to go home. Get my driver's license and my wallet. Turn this bad boy around. Take it up there, get an inspection and emissions. All right, we'll come to a complete stop down here where there's no stop sign. I think we got it. No engine codes, no transmission codes, everything was the stupid gas cap. So that gas cap was put on by Carol's brother to fix the original thing that was wrong with it years and years ago. And it never got fixed. Because the cheap aftermarket fuel caps, they're just kind of generic. They got a seal. So go with an OEM, not an OEM type, an OEM gas cap. Now I'm going to go give my inspection. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. Here's my house. We're getting ready to go and get my license. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm getting close to my 1,000 mark. And I like helping everyone. I like showing you. I don't when I do my videos, you know, I don't plan them out. There's a lot of guys that, hey, you got to have a script and everything else. How can you have a script when you're working on a vehicle trying to figure out what's wrong with it? All you can do is guess and go at it, try at it, and I'll post it. I didn't leave nothing out. I just kind of guessed that it was the gas cap, because my son told me a year ago that it showed evap code. And this is the first time I plugged in my meter to it. Look at that. No engine codes. All clear. All right, it's official. Got my inspection for my emissions. I just drove it down to the emission station at a Pohanka Honda place, and well, it was nice, man. They had like these drive-through places, and they come out and serve you. It's like being like in the 1950s when they come out and give you a hamburger in one of those little stations. Good service, Pohanka Honda. But they inspected it, everything passed. It was good. So like and subscribe if you like my channel. I do a lot of this kind of stuff. I got some more stuff I got to do just like this on that Dodge Caravan over there. I'm gonna put that one for sale. But like and subscribe. You know, on that gas cap, remember you should always get a OME gas cap. The reason being is the OME ones are made for your car, and those universal gas caps, they may not seal on your tank, and that's what was wrong with this one. My wife's brother, he put a gas cap on it to get rid of the emission code, and it didn't get rid of it because it wasn't OME. OME gas caps. You heard that right here, fixing things from Pastor Bill. Hey, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Man, it's just one step away. I got to do a couple little things on it, go get the regular inspection on it, and she'd be good to go. All right, God bless you. I'll see you on the next Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. Pass. Do you see that? Boom, right there. That's what I'm talking about.